Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you've seen our club video with our large postage to stamp stamps and dies. Now, club members, these are already on their way to you, yay! But I couldn't stop there. I just went a little crazy, but I was having so much fun with this one. So I started with my large postmark to stamp, so you can postmark those fun big stamps, postage stamps, and we have this hand cancel because whenever you have a fluffy envelope, meaning it's kind of thick, you want to stamp on their hand cancel, so hopefully they won't try to put it through those machines and crush your card, right? Happy mail, fragile, thanks, urgent, special delivery, love. Those pieces all will fit on the inside. And you're thinking, well, that circle's really fun, but I wish I had words to put in there. Well, never fear, my friends. Look at this. So here we have some fun words that are in circle shape for you to be able to put into this stamp. So for example, we have happy birthday to you with a little present icon, optional. The insides are optional. You know how I like to make it mix and match more, so that way you can put something else in there if you want. Happy anniversary with a little flower, but what if you wanted something else? Don't worry. Sending you paper hugs. Have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year, because you know eventually you're going to need that, right? Thank you so much. You are so thoughtful. So those can be stamped inside here. Gold Club members. Another perk for being a Gold Club member, that means you're in the Die Hard Club and the Kit Club. That means you get 20% off on our website. You have the option now to go to our personalized section of the website and make your own circle that will fit in here. So you could have your address, you could have your name, you could have I love you from Mary, that kind of thing. You can have it say anything you want as long as it's not a bad word. Gold Club members only. Eventually we'll open it up to club members, and eventually we'll open it to the general public, but I know I'm gonna get hit with a lot of those, so we need to start with our Gold Club members. Now, yes, of course, you know, these come with dies that match, right? So we do have a circle that's gonna cut out this circle that's gonna have your special words or these words. I know, it all goes together. It all goes together. Now, for your stamp, for your club stamp, remember you're getting that fun present. Well, I couldn't stop there. So we have a cute little barn scene, a barn, farm, whatever. We have a fun island theme. You, me, for you, to you, from me. Happy anniversary, thank you, handle with care, air mail. Now, for a fun background option, and I love this background option. It is a full die, one piece, and it has stitched envelopes, open and closed with little hearts. They're so cute. Now, I'm going to show you up close and personal on some of those, but look at how many samples I have because my design team went crazy. I love it. So here we have that cute little stamp. We have the fun island background. We have that cute little circles with the postmark on it. So fun. Here's a cute one. Snail mail, handle with care, special delivery. This designer, who was this? This is Cheryl. She actually hand cut some of those extra pieces to have those really pop up. Even on the back, she did this. Isn't that cute? Hand cancel. Have a wonderful day. Look how cute that is. Isn't it fun? Especially you could do that on the outside of an envelope if you are giving it to the person in person, right? Or you're leaving it on their desk. Here's a cute one with those little dies of the little postmark, special delivery. Here is a perfect example of that fun background. Look at how fun those stitch marks are. Here's another one that the stitch marks really show up. Now, a fun thing also to note about this is it's more of a subtle background. So it's like when you want to do something, but you don't want to do pattern paper, but you're not sure what you want to do because you don't want it to be flat and boring, just cardstock. Use this die because it will knock socks off. That one is not supposed to be in here. Okay, here's another cute one. Merry Christmas to you, and use the snowman because yes, that little snowman icon fits or coordinates with our big snowman, which is really cute. Here's a cute one, just using the little Merry Christmas to You circle, which is really fun. So you're gonna really be able to personalize your items. Here's one, yay, it's your birthday, airmail postcard. Isn't that cute? Here's a fun one, XOXO, happy anniversary, with the dotted envelopes in the background. See, it's so subtle, but it really adds. Here's a cute one, sending smiles. Island. How did this designer get the stamp in 2 different versions? Our mirror for palette. Some of you don't remember that one, mirror for palette. Now you could, with the mirror for palette, go check it out on the website. You can make a stamp be the opposite. So look at that, it's a full scene. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Here's a cute A1, happy anniversary, and it's a little tiny baby shaker, so cute. Oh, here's a fun one, from me to you, handle with care. Open it up, this is our 4x4 card, happy anniversary, using that fun, look how cute that is, that background, I love it. Oh, here's a cute one, using our postmark to deboss it, which is really fun. Thank you so much, you are so thoughtful with this inside, just decorated so beautifully. Here's, I told you there was a lot of samples. Here's another one, postmark die right here. Happy birthday to you circle made into a shaker. Special delivery. It's a baby, fragile. Look how cute with the stamp of the postmark on it. Here's a cute one, happy anniversary, airmail, so fun. Oh, here's another one with that background. That background, you guys, you might think, oh, maybe I don't need it. Look at this sample. This one alone will tell you, look at how gorgeous that is with that dot that I keep calling it dotted. It's technically stitched, has the little hearts cut out of it. It is so fun. Here's a cute one, have a wonderful day, snail mail. Here's one, happy mail, because that stamp is in there. Oh, background again with the, oh, and then cut out the envelopes. How cute is that? They're straight edges, so it's easy to cut out. Here's a cute one, sending you paper hugs. So fun, with the little typewriter in there. Here's a cute one, have a wonderful day. You're gonna use those circle stamps way more than you expect to, I'm telling you. Happy anniversary, and here's a cute one, you, me, love, with that fun island. It reminds me of Cancun. Kenny and I loved Cancun. I know, right? Was that just crazy or what? Totally awesome samples. Our design team, as I've said a billion times, is absolutely amazing. So go to our website, stampsoflife.com. Club members, you know the deal. You know you're getting the club discount. And usually when an item is brand new, usually it's also on a flash sale. So if you're watching this video and this item is brand spanking new, run to the website, because chances are it's on flash sale. And if you're a club member, you're not only getting the flash sale price, you're also getting your club discount. So it's double discounts. Stack those discounts to save even more. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.